you can start looking into, if you're trying to invest, for example, 100 rupees into crypto, start putting in every 3 days 10 rupees into it, right? So that by the time the elections are over and few months after the elections, you have bought in at different prices. On average, you would have a really, really good prices, wherein you've also mitigated on the risk, but I've also bought in on the Bitcoin. This is the best way to invest at this point of time, guys. I would take up this opportunity to also talk about the SIP product that we have. We have an interesting SIP product that you can take any coin and then put it in the SIP. You can do a weekly, monthly, daily. Guess what? You also have an hourly SIP. I don't think any other ecosystem has an hourly SIP, guys, because crypto is very volatile. Or let's put it the other way, there is a lot of days where the volatility is high in the market, and it also provides an opportunity for people to make good money during that time. So during those times or days when you feel the volatility is very high, I think these hourly SIPs will come very handy. I've seen a lot of traders, especially people who take position, use a hourly SIP, guys. Now, but for others who are general investors who are looking into investing for at least short term to long term, I would suggest you can definitely go for a daily or a weekly SIP that you can put in.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.